Yeah, everybody, we're doing some sheep work today. Gonna be a large-ish sort of day. We've got all the ewes and all the lambs in, and we're gonna go through them all, drench them all, and sort out a few ewes as well. So we'll show you sort of what we're doing just in a short little video, and yeah, we'll go from there. Right guys, so as you would have seen, we've been going through these sheep here. Dad's going to explain what we're looking for and why we are doing it. So I'll give you over to him and we'll show you an example. And we'll show you an example of a poor one and we'll show you an example of a good one.
Yeah, g'day viewers. We're as per usual at Shambles Downs. We're running late, doing everything. So we're going through all the ewes, which I should have done the shearing time if I'd had the time, but anyway. We're just mouthing them. Cam pans over there to his right. See, that's the old ewes that either have no teeth in their head or, like me, have very little. So we're just about finished doing this. So Cam wanted me to show you an example of a good mouthed ewe, which I'll show you. This little bloke here, he's one of the younger ones if you'll play the game. Maybe not. Maybe not again. Probably seen it all before on other YouTube doos. That's a young ewe, and you can see she's got, if she'll play the game, see how she's got the 4 young teeth there. She's about 2-year-old, or coming up 2.5. Whereas this other old bird, wherever she is here, they're all bent and twisted.
It's missing one.
And missing a couple. So I might have snuck her through, but Cam thought she was worthwhile giving her the flick. So anyway, that doesn't matter. Long as they got a full set of teeth and they're able to graze easily. If I'd have snuck that one through until next year, we'd have a look at them again. We'd probably have to flick her out because she probably would have lost 1 or 2 or even more. Some of those old birds over there, they're like gummy sharks. They've got no, oh well, I don't know whether gummy sharks have got no teeth or not, but some of them haven't got any teeth, so no good putting them in lamb and trying to get a lamb out of something that's not going to be able to eat properly and produce a lamb. So that's what we've done with a few imperfections, which weren't many. I got one out with an undershot jaw, which you don't want to breed from, and the same, they can have an overshot top jaw as well, or an undershot top jaw rather. Makes it hard for them to eat, especially when it's tough times. So anything that sort of looks a bit dodgy and got no teeth, we've sort of given the flick. So we'll run, we've drenched all these, we'll run them back to a fresh-ish paddock. And these ones we've culled out, they'll run with the lambs because I'm weaning them. And we'll have to put them in one of the hay paddocks, even though we haven't picked up the round bales yet, but there's too much good feed going to waste in there, so I'll have to put them in there. So yeah, we'll give them, whether we get that stage today with the lambs or not, I don't know. Still got a bit to do, but anyway, that's the plan so far.
Okay, so we've just finished going through all the ewes and we've separated off the ones that we don't make the cut, and they've all got a blue mark on them. They're with the, mixing with the lambs now. We've got a wether and this one with the, what do you call it, undershot jaw. So I'll see if I can get close enough to this one so you can get a look at his jaw, see what it's like. It's like having an overbite, I guess. Hey? So this one here we're looking at, I'll try and zoom it in when I'm editing it, but you can sort of see that his bottom jaw is a lot more further under his top jaw. So hopefully that's close enough. I'll try and get I'll try and edit it so that you can get a nice close shot of that, but basically it makes it harder for the sheep to bite off grass if their jaw isn't developed properly. So yeah. So when we get rid of all these ewes that we've all haven't made the cut, what's going to happen to them?
Well, I'll go to market and people from overseas origins might buy them to stick them in, mince them up into salamis, or they'll go to dog food probably. They're past their use by date as far as breeding and anything goes from, so yeah, they'll just get turned into lamb mince or dog food, or someone might buy them, chop them up, make roast lamb meat pies and gravy.
So these older ones, this is what you'd call mutton, so it's not as good quality as what a young lamb are. And these aren't proper meat sheep, they're a cross between a meat and merino, but they're not as good as say our white Suffolk lambs would be, so that's why they won't be sold as, you know, really good quality lamb. Rightio, there goes the last of the lambs. So as you would have seen, we've been tagging, which we have been in to get done for a while. So red tags this year for these lambs. They're all tagged, got their second vaccination, and they've been drenched. So we are pretty much all caught up where we should be with the lambs at the moment, and almost caught up with the sheep. There's one more mob to be drenched, which we'll do tomorrow. And yeah, we'll have that all done, and that'll be a good thing, because hot and dry and dusty today, so not much fun being out there for the full day. Anyway, hopefully we picked up a little bit different, checking the sheep's teeth. I've never done it before, it's the first time I've done it, so I picked up a little bit from Dad, which was good. Yeah, it'll only be a short little video hopefully, but I hope you found it interesting all the same. So thanks for watching everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hooroo.